I started the vlog with a beard, now it's gone.
Food, glorious food. So I got me some Jamaican food. Yeah. Got my Jamaican food and I am ready to go eat. We did other two festivals, don't I hope to God. But my festival there. I'm going back from a festival. Going back. Go. Hey, I ordered two festivals.
No, I got a festival.
Yeah, man?
Okay.
Okay. They ain't got no festival.
I started the vlog with a beard, now it's gone.
Hey, so let's talk about something that always puzzles me every single time. And I don't understand why this particular thing always happens to me. People always feel the need to come up to me and ask me the stupidest questions. I don't know if it happens to you, but it happens to me regularly. I mean, on a daily basis. Let's say, for instance, right? The sky gets very cloudy, it gets very dark. It's the middle of the day, and we all know when the sky get dark, some form of rain go happen. Some form of rain is going to happen. And for some strange reason, out of nowhere, somebody will come up to me and say, hey, is it going to rain? What it look like? The cloud get dark. Must click in their heads, oh, it is going to rain. That's what kind of puzzle me sometimes, how people could ask some stupid, right? I was at work and somebody asked me, because I was doing an activity, right? Because my job is to, you know, plan daily and night entertainment for guests that come in and stay at the hotel that I work at, right? Y'all know where I work, it's no secret. So I'm there doing an activity. I know everybody knows tie-dye. Everybody knows what tie-dye is, right? Is when you put colors on white shirts. This is what tie-dye is. That's the definition of tie-dye, right? So I'm there, I got the gloves on and everything. You understand? And this lady walked up to me, right? And I there with the shirt and I have the dye and I pour in the dye on the shirt. And the lady literally looked at me and said, what are you guys doing here? Are you doing tie-dye? And this is my exact reaction. And then I for some strange reason, I don't know why I do this, but when people ask me stupid questions, I always have a stupid answer. So she asked me, what are you guys doing here? Are you doing tie-dye? And I looked at the lady and I said, no, we're making a baby. Now, am I wrong for saying that? We laugh it off, but seriously though, you see me with the sign, everything up saying tie-dye, and you ask me, are you doing tie-dye? No, we'll make a baby. That's what So another thing that kind of pissed me off, right? I went to the barber shop the other day to get a lineup and thing, you know, right? I went there, most of the barber chairs are filled with, you know, customers. And there was this one other barber guy, they looked like a little mouse with long hair. That's what him look like. Don't judge me, that's what him look like. I Jamaican, you look like something, that's what we go call you. If you don't know your name and you look like a rat, we'll call you Ratty. I just saw it set up. You see flag? Alright. So I went and sit in his chair and he asked me what kind of cut I want. He said, I want a fade. I just fade the two sides and leave the top. Fade the two sides and leave the top. That's how I'm telling him. Fade the two sides and leave the top. You know what this man do? Before him ask me any questions, right? Click and rub off the whole of me hair up here. Then me just grow it back. Him start line me up and thing, right? Just start go straight around and line me up. And at one point, right? He cut in the hair and he go around and then he proceed to blow in my face. Some little problem I said, big man, what you do? I said, my blow with the hair. Some little problem I said, big man, what you do? I said, my blow with the hair from off of my forehead. I say, yo, don't do that, cause me I said, don't do that. Me and a little pitney, me and your girlfriend, don't blow in my face. The man blow. He's thinking right in my face to blow off the hair. What kind of madness this is? Me not go back at that barber shop. Straight, nah go back there. Hell no. I also want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for the support. Share it with everybody. Share it, pass it all over the place. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with these vlogs. I don't know. Just keep watching, because one of these days something exciting, much more exciting than this go happen. So in the next couple of days, I got an event to go to, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that action, because hey, don't miss it, cause it goes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching. And like and subscribe and share it, and yeah, thank you so much. Peace, one love, and that easy. Deuces.